Yo yo yo, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are talking safety gear on a PWC Jetski. Let's go. Today you join me at the beautiful setting of Robert Owen Marine. All the products you see today are available in the Robert Owen Marine shop. The link to their website will be in the comments below. Safety gear number one, Bouyancy AID. You should wear these at all times, no matter what. When you're out on the water, you should have a Bouyancy AID. Two, a VHF radio. Now, the reason we use these is because if you are in trouble, you can contact the Coast Guard directly. If somebody's around you and hears that call that you are in some sort of distress, then that boat may be able to get to you quicker and help you in whatever situation you may be in. Product number three, an Inshore flare pack. In this pack you have two red hand flares and two orange smokes. Now I'd like to say, when you do buy these, don't buy them second hand because they do have a use by date. It's always worth checking on the side of the flares to see what that use by date is. Usually 2 to 3 years. Flares come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. As these flares, you can buy personal flares to keep on yourself. More information on the RYA website for you. Product number four, we have an anchor. This one's a sand anchor, which is basically a bag. You fill it with rocks or sand, attach it to your ski, and your ski will be safe to hold wherever you need it. Other kinds of anchor are available obviously. This is just nice and easy to store in the ski, causing no damage to anything else inside. Product number five, rope. Rope's very important, just for the sake of docking up so you can go and have a walk around wherever you are. Whether you need a tow off somebody, whether somebody needs a tow off you, ropes are very valuable, very valuable. Product number six, we have a wetsuit with wet shoes. This keeps you nice and warm when out on the water, and the shoes are good for when walking around off the ski, on the beach or on rocks. Nice and comfy. Product number seven, Drysuit. It is in the name what this means. It keeps you completely dry. You can wear normal clothes underneath. If it's a sunny day, shorts and t-shirt underneath would be just right. If it's a blustery, windy day, maybe a jumper underneath. These will keep you warm, keep the salt off you. Brilliant. And last but not least, we have a lanyard. It is essential that you have a lanyard on at all times. Now I always recommend to have two lanyards on the boat with you. When I first started boating, I didn't know a thing. I came off the ski, I had the lanyard on, the ski stopped. When I got back onto the ski, I was like, where's my lanyard? It has unclipped itself due to me falling off. So what I wish I'd done is had a spare lanyard inside the cubby of the ski, so I can at least start the ski and get back safely. Luckily I found the lanyard in the water and I was able to get back, but that day was a massive lesson. Every day is a school day, just remember that. If you like what you've seen in the video, please subscribe, comment below. We will be doing more of these tutorials every week. For more information, please also visit the RYA website, that will be linked below. Leave some comments and we will see you on the next one. Goodbye.